Hello, and welcome to Stephanie Decor 2. Today, I am glad you have chosen to be with me. We will redecorate my mantle, and then I'll show you my living room. If you would like to stay and see the end, please stay tuned. First, I am going to wipe it down. And these are just some Lysol wipes. These candles I bought from Ross a few years back, and they were $6.99 a piece. I'm going to put these battery operated candles, although I have some tapered ones. I want these to just stay there for now. And then on this side, you will see a lot of pictures in my decor. And this greenery is from Dollar General. I believe they were $3 for each stem. It's been a while since I've bought these flowers for decoration itself. It's been a while. Now I'm going to wipe this one off. I'm going to sit this one here. These balls, the smaller one came from the Dollar General, I believe it was. Now here, I'm going to, let's see what this is. Okay, I've been had it a while. I even got it at a flea market, this vase, and then this particular bowl that it sits in. And then in the center, I believe this plate either came from Home Goods or from Hobby Lobby, because I don't buy too much from the other stores, and I know it wasn't from the regular stores we have here. I just wanted a simple, airy feel on this mantle. The picture, I have 3 of those, and you will see 2 of them. The 2 other ones that I have as I let you see the rest of the living rooms. Like I say, let me step off camera. I'm going to get the taper. Okay. And I will have to put something else to help them to stand, but I have the blue ones and the white ones. So my preference for right now is the battery operated ones. tell me what you think. Let's straighten this up. All right. Let me start right here at the mantle. The two larger balls here I got from Hobby Lobby. And I want you to show you it's heavy, as you would imagine, and this is how it came. And then this is what it sits in. And I won't lift the other one because it's the same on both sides. I think this is just beautiful. And like I said, let me see, did I leave the tag on? No. And this is the pedestal both of them on either side sits on. And of course, I know most of you should recognize that. That's from Hobby Lobby. And let me put this back. Okay. And as you can see, it's on both sides of the fireplace. And this stand I bought from Hobby Lobby, but I put some contact paper over this one. The other ones that I have, I left them as is, white. Those, these balls, I have two of them. I picked them up from a place that sells antiques. This is another vase. It has a top that I got from, I believe it was Home Goods. And these I ordered from Temu. All right. Let's fix my towel here. And these chairs, I have two. They came from Wayfair. And I just put this one here along with these pillows I got. And as you'll notice, blue and white is my color. Here is the entryway. Let's see. My mirror. And in the background, you'll see the second bathroom. Coffee pot, teapots, clocks, and murals by More Than Anything. And this lamp, I've been had it for a while. I'm thinking about changing the shades on them to blue. But if you will, this is my entry way table. And then I'll show you this side. And I left the frames black so it can pick up on the black on the fireplace. I will do a video, I don't know when as of now, to show you how I made my curtains, and very simple. So that's enough I'll say about them until that time's come. I have a DIY for this table here that's coming up. And then the same pictures on the other side. As like I said, I do symmetrical decor. And here's the remaining side. of the living room. Once again, let me just take a minute and say this to you. Decorating is all about what you like. It's about what you and your family enjoy. You are very unique. Let your decor speak to that uniqueness. Sometimes the things that we want, including myself, we have to put back until we can get them. But if you find something at the antique mall, such places as those that I've just spoke of, if you don't like the color, you can change it. Step out of the box to see how a particular item can be used other than what it's meant for. Never decorate to satisfy anyone else, because you are not like anyone else. You're like you. And sometimes I hear people say, well, I don't know what I like. Well, then get something, a magazine. There's plenty on Facebook, interior designing, and your friend's Facebook page. And you can see, well, I do like that, but I'm not traditional. I am. But I like looking at other people' YouTube channel, because I may get an idea. Even though I may design it differently or set it up, the core differently, that person have given me an idea. I really hope that you have enjoyed and that you will return on next Thursday. And look out for my shorts. I will be doing one soon. Until next Thursday, may God bless you.